Hello, my name is Kenneth Holly. I'm with Whole Man Ministries, North Carolina. We're here on Cameron Avenue, standing in front of some homes that were built with George Black bricks. These homes were built somewhere in 1939, 1940. They have a lot of bricks on it that was actually made by George Black in his business at that time. This is a property that we have a veteran community. All of these units right here have veterans living in it. We're out here the weekend before Martin Luther King with the city of Winston-Salem. They're giving back, working with this project to make sure that we can have a veteran move into it sometime by the beginning of next month. This is very important for our organization because we focus on helping to end veterans homelessness. This gives the veterans a community where they have people who have actually served in our military forces throughout the United States, and they're able to actually work with each other and talk with each other and come out of the community come into a community where they can actually build hope and determine their outcomes together as a team. And we're just so excited about having this opportunity to allow people to come in to volunteer and work on this project.